Hello, Doc Kennedy back with my two French friends Claire and Jacques. Now definite articles. The French definite article that corresponds to English, the, has several versions denoting gender and number. If you would like to learn more in depth, be sure to look for the link to Grammar Lesson 1 below. In this episode, we'll practice using definite articles. Listen close. Here is how to say, this is the book.
Voilà le livre.
Voilà le livre.
Now you say, this is the book.
Voilà le livre.
Here is, these are, the books.
Les livres.
Voilà les livres.
You say, these are the books.
Voilà les livres.
Here is, this is, the restaurant.
Le restaurant.
Voilà le restaurant.
You say, this is the restaurant.
Voilà le restaurant.
Here is, these are, the restaurants.
Les restaurants.
Voilà les restaurants.
You say, these are the restaurants.
Voilà les restaurants.
Here is, that's the cafe.
Le café.
Voilà le café.
Say, that's the cafe.
Voilà le café.
Here is, these are the cafes.
Les cafés.
Voilà les cafés.
Say, these are the cafes.
Voilà les cafés.
Here is, this is the door.
Voilà la porte.
Voilà la porte.
Say, this is the door.
Voilà la porte.
Here is, these are the doors.
Les portes.
Voilà les portes.
Say, these are the doors.
Voilà les portes.
Here is, that is the lesson.
La leçon.
Voilà la leçon.
Say, that is the lesson.
Voilà la leçon.
These are the lessons.
Les leçons.
Voilà les leçons.
Say, these are the lessons.
Voilà les leçons.
That is the class.
La classe.
Voilà la classe.
Say, that is the class.
Voilà la classe.
These are the classes.
Les classes.
Voilà les classes.
Say, these are the classes.
Voilà les classes.
This is the time, or, this is the hour.
L'heure.
Voilà l'heure.
Say, this is the time.
Voilà l'heure.
These are the hours.
Les heures.
Voilà les heures.
Say, these are the hours.
Voilà les heures.
That is the child.
Voilà l'enfant.
Voilà l'enfant.
Say, that is the child.
Voilà l'enfant.
These are the children.
Les enfants.
Voilà les enfants.
Say, these are the children.
Voilà les enfants.
This is the friend.
L'ami.
Voilà l'ami.
Say, this is the friend.
Voilà l'ami.
These are the friends.
Les amis.
Voilà les amis.
Say, these are the friends.
Voilà les amis.
As you can see, when you learn a new noun, it is important to learn the correct gender and definite article that goes with it. Well done. See you next time.